Bedroom design trends in 2025 emphasize comfort, sustainability, and personalization, creating sanctuaries tailored to individual lifestyles. Soft, earthy tones like sage green, warm beige, and terracotta are popular choices, fostering a calming and grounded atmosphere. Textured materials such as velvet, linen, and boucle add a tactile quality to bedding, headboards, and rugs, making spaces feel more inviting and luxurious. Minimalism continues to be a key trend, with clean lines and uncluttered layouts promoting tranquility. Multifunctional furniture, like beds with built-in storage or fold-out desks, is increasingly sought after, especially in smaller living spaces where maximizing functionality is essential. Sustainability plays a significant role, with eco-friendly materials like bamboo, organic cotton, and recycled wood being favored in both furniture and decor. Smart bedroom technology is integrated seamlessly, with features like app-controlled lighting, temperature settings, and smart blinds enhancing convenience and comfort. LED lighting with adjustable color temperatures allows for creating different moods, from soft, warm lights for relaxation to bright, cool lights for productivity. Customizable, modular furniture is a big trend, enabling people to adapt their bedroom layout according to changing needs. Wall-mounted lighting, particularly sconces, replaces traditional bedside lamps, freeing up space while offering modern sophistication. Bold wallpaper designs, including botanical or geometric patterns, are making a comeback, adding a creative flair to accent walls. Curved furniture and soft, rounded edges in bed frames, mirrors, and chairs bring a sense of flow and softness to the space. Neutral tones paired with occasional pops of color, such as burnt orange or deep blue, provide balance between serenity and vibrancy. Bedroom spaces in 2025 also reflect a desire for wellness, with spaces dedicated to meditation, reading, or yoga, promoting holistic well-being. Vintage and retro influences blend with contemporary design, incorporating mid-century modern furniture or Art Deco details for a nostalgic yet modern aesthetic. Personalized art, such as custom prints or DIY wall hangings, adds a personal touch, making the bedroom truly reflective of the inhabitant's identity.